Hi, my name is Alex McKenzie, and this is my AP Environmental Sustainable Community. So, I welcome you all to the Garden of Dhurr Furtball. Open this door right here. I decided to grow a variety of from beetroots to turnips to carrots, wheat, melons, all those good crops. I decided to till this because it makes it easier for me to plant crops and manage the soil. Also, it cleans up the place, which ultimately makes it look better. To establish what form of irrigation, I use the first method that came, furrow irrigation. Furrow irrigation is surface irrigation where waters go through these channels, which are between these crops, and they flow through, giving plants the necessary water needed for. However, this method does cause erosion. So, to combat this, I chose to plant oak. These trees have strong roots, which keep the soil together, which in turn reduces erosion and can potentially stop erosion. But, however, as we know, pests will come garden, as they do with all gardens. So, the first method of defense that I decided to use, which is a biological method, is to add axolotls to the garden. Although they mostly live in water, they can go up to land for an hour. So they will come in the garden, eat the tiny little insect pests that come here, and then go back, which provide a very good biological for getting rid of pests. But all pests aren't insects though. As we know, rats and other animals can be pests too. So I have obtained technology from Mr. Megamind himself, which floats in the air and analyzes any animal that comes to it. So, if it's a rat or a pest of some sort, it will shoot one of these potions of splash poison, which is lethal to pests. But Mr. Megamind has altered these potions to where it will only harm those sort of pests, as you saw right there, which in turn keeps all of our crops and the community safe from these poison splash potions. However, I decided to add one more exotic way of defense: a wall of cactus. I decided to add these because, again, it is very exotic and cool to use. But these cactuses are not for show, as they prevent large pests and animals from getting in. So, if an animal, pest of some, comes close with these cactuses, they will prick them. The cactuses will prick them, encouraging them to leave. Lastly, as we all know, soil needs to be fertile in order to grow crops. So, I've decided to add compost. A community garden will have organic trash, people eating the food and stuff, and also these trees will have leaves falling. Instead of throwing this trash away and it burning in a landfill, I decided to take all of the organic trash and put them in these compost. So, it one, cleans up the place from organic trash, and two, keeps the soil fertile. That is everything I have to showcase for this. And I hope you have all experienced the tour of the Garden of Dhurr Furtball. Have a very pleasant day.